What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of OPPO A71 2K18, and the same model was released last year with the same name of OPPO A71 2K17, and now this model has been upgraded and we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 and the artificial intelligence, and we have 13 megapixels rear camera and the battery is 3000 milliampere, and this specific model is in the gold color, and we have 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. Now let's move on and unbox this phone, and let me just remove this cover from this box, and let us just bring this phone out of this box, and I am just removing this box too. And you can see this is the OPPO A71 2K18 model, and this is the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is not the 18:9 aspect ratio, and the design language is the same as was with the OPPO F5 and the OPPO F5 Youth. Actually it may be the lighter version of those phones, but we will see it later on. And let's see what else we have. This is the paperwork of the phone, and let us just put it at a side, and let's see which type of cable we have here. And I think so this is the micro USB cable, and this is not the USB type C, and yes, it is the micro USB cable. And let me just focus it, and you can see this is the micro USB cable. So, and you can see these are the hand frees which have come with this smartphone. And let us bring the charger out of this box, and you can see this is the charger of the OPPO F5, and this is the 1 ampere charger. This is not the fast charger. So let's put this box as a side, and let me just bring this phone into the camera, and let's just boot this phone up, and let me remove this wrapper out of this phone, and let us just boot up this phone now. And here we go, the phone is now booting up. I have already told you the specifications of this phone, that it is having 2 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the 16 gigabytes of storage model. The other model is 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, and this is the this is the 5.2 inch display, which is the 16:9 aspect ratio. It is not the 18:9 aspect ratio. Let's finish this setup of the phone, and we have set the language. Let's move next, and the region, for example, we set the United States, and let us skip this for a while and agree to the terms and also to the Google services. And next up we have the Wi-Fi assistant. Let's move and welcome to the OPPO phone. We have the phone here. You can see this is the OPPO A71 2K18 model, and you can see this is the OPPO A71 2K18 model, and same things are here. From the top we have the notification center, and from the down we have the control center, similar to the iPhones. And actually they have designed their UI similar to the iPhone UI. So, and let's go into the settings and into the about, and let's see what type of software is running into this phone. And you can see it is running on Android 7.1.1, and the color OS is 3.2. if you can see it right now, I have focused it, and you can see, and this is the 2 gigabyte RAM model, and this 16 gigabytes of storage. So I have already mentioned all these specifications. So guys, this was the unboxing of OPPO A71 2K18 model, and you can see this phone is very similar to many other OPPO phones in having the same software experience which usually comes in all other OPPO phones. So I will be posting many videos of this phone. I will be comparing it with the OPPO F5 and the OPPO F5 Youth to let you guys know that which smartphone is better if you love these OPPO phones. And let us see what we have on the frame of this. You can see this is the power button, and up to it we have this SIM card slot and the 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the left we have the volume rockers, and on the bottom we have the speakers and the micro USB cable slot, and on the back we have the 13 megapixels rear camera with a microphone and a flash. On the front we have the cameras too. So guys, this was the unboxing of OPPO A71 2K18, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.